guys, it's Kate from Hybrid World. I'm about to do some marble dipping with these rocks, so let's just see what happens. I'd already pre-decorated these rocks before, and I'm just interested to see what happens when I dip them in this marbling. So I'm going to pop those in there. What I'm going to do is just quickly lay some other pre-painted sheets on top, just to be able to mop up these and see what we can get. Some nice contrast going on here. Get that. Well, that's good. I like that. And then the rocks. Da-da-da-da. Whoa! Oh, that's so cool. So cool. And then these ones. Ha, I like that. Oh, that didn't work out so well, but I really like that one. Very cool. Hang on, I might give it a little swirl actually. And then we'll just dip some more of these in. That's cool. Take up rocks. Smile. No, that didn't work out so well. Ooh, I like that. That was kind of cool. It's just I love the reaction. So cool. Just watching it pop.